Hello there, how are you doing? In today's video, I'll be talking about some things you should avoid doing in a bank. Especially when you go to a bank physically, or you go to maybe a POS or somewhere you want to withdraw money, anywhere where financial transactions are taking place, avoid these things. Number one, never get into a financial conversation with a total stranger, especially about your finances at the bank, amount you're expecting, amount you're paying in, and all that. If you don't know the person, avoid such conversations. Number two, sometimes you may be talking over the phone. Gone are the days where they restrict you from making calls inside the bank and all that. These days they allow you. Do your best not to discuss private things in places like that. Remember, the bank is a public place. Do your best not to discuss private things in the public place. You might be carried away because maybe you don't want to leave the queue or you don't want to miss a turn, and you get into those conversations. You don't know who's hearing you. You don't know who's picking information from the bank or picking information around you. So avoid such conversations. You can always say, "Oh, I'm at the bank. Can I call you a bit later?" Or "I'm in a place where I can't talk now. Can I call you later?" Or if it's so important, you can take an excuse, maybe go to the washroom or go to somewhere private to make such calls or continue such conversations. Avoid it. Number three, when you get out of the bank, especially if you want to make a withdrawal, all right, and you're carrying cash, be very careful. Do not overexpose yourself. If possible, if you have a car, go straight to your car. Before you get into your car, survey the area to make sure that is good and clear before you get in. Number two, always watch your bag. Like I'm talking about that one. Watch your bag. Number three, if you booked a ride, make sure the ride has arrived before you get out. All right, you don't know who's trailing you and stuff like that. Of course, these days we don't hear much about those kind of things, but it's good to take precautions. All right, especially when you go to the bank physically. Number four. When you fill those forms and all that, the ones they tell you to put into the sleeves, put them into the sleeves. Do not forget to put them, because you might go away. Those things are usually evidences in case anything goes wrong, to show that you were there and you did that. All right, as much as possible, do it yourself. Do not pass it to the security guy or to the cleaner to help you do it. Do it yourself so that you're sure that that slip went to where it was supposed to go. All right, I'll stop there for now. These are just a few tips to help you in one way to stop problems, to mitigate against problems and related to banking transactions, or when you find yourself in the bank. All right, so till I see you in my next video, take care, be careful, and just make progress.